Today on the farm, I wanted to show y'all this. This is a hanging basket. I put it up one day, and the next day I came over here and it had a bird nest in it. And about 3 days later, or 4 days maybe, I came back over here and it had 5 eggs in it. And now this has been a week, and I want to show you what's in it. You see? Kind of hard to see. It is full of babies. They are sleeping. Cold this morning compared to usual. Kind of rough on the plant, but it's so cute. That's what's happening at 6:45 at the farm today. And if anything else interesting happens, I'll let you know.